All right, so here's the state of cryptocurrency. First, let's take a step back and just look at the big picture. Right, Bitcoin hitting $106,000 isn't just a number; it's a signal. It reflects growing trust in cryptocurrency as a legitimate asset class. And here what we're seeing in the cryptocurrency space, we're seeing pretty much major institutions pouring money into crypto. We're seeing governments creating regulatory frameworks, and retail investors like you and me exploring how crypto can create generational wealth. It is really a time because right now, what we are experiencing is we are experiencing the birth of AI, the birth of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is at an all-time high. We're experiencing something that we've never experienced before. And actually, right now, I think is the best time to get involved and get highly educated on the crypto space. And really and truly, I believe with more education, what it's going to allow us to do is it's going to allow us to really get a full scope of how we could manage these type of markets and get into these type of markets. Correct? But the thing about Bitcoin is that it's not a straight line up. While $106,000 is an all time high, the crypto market is famously volatile. Like it goes up and down. It could be at 106 today. It could be at 95 tomorrow. It could be at 106 today. It could be at 120 tomorrow. It just all depends. And that's not a bad thing. Volatility creates pretty much opportunities for traders, right? And instead of fearing the dips, we can use tools and strategies to profit from them. And this is the advantage of trading, right? Trading. What I mean by trading pretty much is when you're buying and selling the market based off of what you think it can do. When you're buying and holding cryptocurrency, buying and holding Bitcoin, right? Buying and holding real estate, you only make money when it goes up. But as a trader or as somebody that is trading the market, day trading, swing trading, whatever that looks like, what happens is you're not able to, when Bitcoin goes up, you can buy it. When Bitcoin goes down, you can sell it. When a currency USD versus the Japanese yen goes up versus a currency when the Japanese yen versus USD goes down, you can buy it and sell it based off where you believe the market is going to go based off of many different factors, right? And so this is the advantage of trading. It allows you to take action in both a bull market, which means that the market is soaring up like it is now with Bitcoin, and a bear market, pretty much when the market for the last couple of years it's gone from all the way to 71,000 to I think as little as $15,000 when it comes to Bitcoin, right? Cryptocurrency is no longer just about buying Bitcoin and waiting for it to go higher. It's really about understanding how to trade. And with the right tools, you can maximize those opportunities, honestly. So this next part we're going to get into is pretty much why trading is better than just holding, in my opinion. Now, I believe that if you're going to get started and if you want to make money in something, you're going to want to trade it, right? You're going to want to buy and sell it, especially because of the volatility of the market. Now, if you look at Bitcoin as a store of value, like I also do, you want to find ways to buy it, the coin, store the coin, and hold it over a long period of time. I believe that the more Bitcoin that we accumulate, the cheaper that pretty much price gets when it comes to certain things, right? So let's just talk about, why trading is powerful. And holding Bitcoin is great if you're in it for the long haul, but here's a challenge. You only profit when the price goes up. Trading, on the other hand, allows you to profit from the ups and downs of the market. For example, if Bitcoin drops to $106,000 to 100,000, most people would panic. But as a trader, you can actually make money on that move down. The same is true when it spikes back up. This is what makes cryptocurrency trading so exciting. It's incredible. And I remember a quick story. I remember when I was my first time trading in 2017. I think I was at my parents' house with my buddy Michael Sotero. If you on Instagram, DeFi Mike Sotero, and we were in profit $40. The screen on at the time, on the app that we're using goes red if it's in negative or blue if it's in positive. And what happened? It was in blue $40, and I remember me running around the house, seeing if I should buy, if I should sell it, if I should keep it up, and it was just an exciting time. And that's just kind of the thing that day trading does. So for example, instead of waiting for years for Bitcoin to rise, you can take advantage of the daily and even hourly movements of the market. And you don't need an expert or need to have a massive account to get started. The key is having the right tools and the right platform, which brings me to my next point, which is the tools and strategies that you need for trading Bitcoin. And here's how I personally approach trading Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Number one and step one, right? Use a licensed and regulated platform. And I've been in this space for a while. I've used a lot of platforms, and a lot of those platforms that I used before are either no longer here or have always had issues when it came to paying people out because they weren't regulated to do so. They had licensing to move crypto somewhere, but they weren't licensed and regulated by a governing body that was going to hold them accountable. And that's why I personally trade on Sway Markets. Right now, Sway Markets is a platform where it's free to sign up. They're regulated through ASIC, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission. So far, they've been around for 2 years, and I haven't had any issues when it came to withdrawing money in the crypto space. Withdrawing my profits and even earning money on the platform. They've been incredible so far, and hopefully, they continue to do so. But they're licensed and regulated, and that's why I prefer to trade with Sway Markets. And you can use whatever broker you want. This is not financial advice at all, but if you want to create a free account, you can go below and create a free account. It's really simple. Create an ECN account, keep it going, right? But let me just keep it going. Crypto trading is full of platforms, right? But not all of them are secure and trustworthy, like I was saying. And with Sway Markets, I know my funds, and this is to say that nothing is guaranteed. And if anybody tells you that anything is guaranteed, run far, far away. The only thing that's guaranteed is death and taxes. And those aren't guaranteed based off what you believe in, because if you believe in Christianity, you know that there were a few people who got raised up from earth. And if you know the government, there's ways that you can get around without paying taxes legally, right? But pretty much with Sway Markets, I know my funds are protected. The platform is regulated, and the tools are advanced enough to give me an edge. And the thing about Sway Markets is that they have their own platform. So it's not just Sway Markets you use to sign up. You have to use like a MetaTrader or whatever other broker. But they have Sway Charts Pro. They have Sway Charts, an iPhone app that you can use. And they have their own platform. They have their own funded platform where you can get a funded account where you can not just use your money, but you can leverage, other people's money and pay a small amount for a big account. That's always incredible, right? So that's why I use Sway Markets. So like I said before, if you want to create a free account, go ahead and create a free account in the description below. But the second part is the how I trade is I've learned to use harmonic patterns, right? And I've been a fan of harmonic patterns for some years, and just recently I've been getting into trading a lot more, and I've been leveraging harmonic patterns, right? And if you've never heard of harmonic patterns, let me kind of break it down to you, right? So harmonic pattern is a type of market analysis that helps you predict when the market is likely to reverse. They look for specific price formations like the Gartley or the butterfly patterns, that kind of signal whether, prices are about to go up or down. For example, if Bitcoin is trending up and I see a bearish harmonic pattern, that tells me it's likely to reverse and start dropping. This gives me an opportunity to take action like kind of before the market moves. So I'm able to get a good entry and not have a lot of drawdown. These patterns aren't guesswork. They're based on mathematical ratios that have been proven over time. And when you combine them with a strong platform like Sway Markets, you're giving yourself tools to trade like a pro. And the next thing is, staying disciplined and consistent. Trading isn't, gambling, but it's about having a plan and sticking to it and being consistent over a period of time. And that's why we use tools like the harmonic patterns. And that's why they're so valuable, because they give you clarity in what may otherwise feel chaotic, right? And I use an app called harmonicpattern.com. I put the link below that you can take a look at it. And pretty much what happens is that it gives me all of the harmonic patterns that are coming up, how to set your rules, all these things where you can see in cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, you're able to trade these cryptocurrencies, right? Pretty dope. I believe that right now is the time to start trading. And so why would you care about this right now? And it's really simple. Bitcoin hitting $106,000 isn't just a milestone. It's a wake-up call for real, for real. Cryptocurrency is still growing, and while the market is volatile, the volatility is your opportunity. But here's the truth. Most people miss out on these opportunities because they don't take action. They watch from the sidelines, waiting for the perfect time. And let me tell you, there's no such thing as a perfect time. There never is. The best time to start learning and trading is now. And with platforms like Sway Markets and tools like harmonic patterns, you have everything you need to take that first step. And so, if you're ready to start profiting from Bitcoin's movements, or even just curious about how it all works, here's what I recommend. Number one, get started on Sway Markets. It's free, it's regulated. It's perfect for beginners, intermediate traders, and even professional and experienced traders. And also, let's learn about, harmonic patterns, right? These tools are game changers for understanding the market. And you don't have to be a financial expert or have a huge budget to succeed in crypto or succeed in trading. You know, what you need is the right mindset, right tools, and willingness to learn. You know, Bitcoin is at 106,000. It's just a beginning. And so what I want to say is that in the description below, I'm going to start giving you the tools, but then also we have our own. I'm a part of an academy, the Secure Your Future Global University, where pretty much it goes from A to Z on how to break down cryptocurrency. You know, it breaks down foreign exchange trading. You know, what is a pip? What is a stop loss? What is a leverage? You know, how to use all the platforms. And so that's being built out, and it's already built out. And all we do is, you know, we suggest that you use Sway Markets, create a Sway Markets account with the platform that we use, and that's the platform that I use. You can use whatever, you know, broker you want, and we'll still give you the tools. We just want to make sure that you know that your money is safe. So that's pretty much what it is. You know, Bitcoin hitting $106,000 is incredible. It's crazy. It's something that, you know, a lot of people didn't see. And I believe that Bitcoin itself is going to go to be $10 million a coin. It'll hit 1 million and 5 million and 10 million. You know, even, you know, probably, you know, I'm 30 right now. So by the time in 20 years, you know, I believe that, you know, Bitcoin will be at a 25 million to $50 million coin. And so right now is the time to capitalize off of it, and you can trade it, you can buy it and hold it. You know, you can earn from it. Like even as an affiliate, you know, I share, you know, the platform that I choose to use, and you're able to make money when other people trade. And so not only can you annually make money from the market, but when you share it, you know, what you can do is, you know, you can earn in Bitcoin as well. So, and that's to get as many Bitcoin as possible and attack it from all angles. So that's my video for today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And hopefully this brought you value. And I want to make a video every day on different topics that, you know, are helping me in my daily life. But I love talking about cryptocurrency. I love talking about building your audience. I love talking about these things. So that's it. Enjoy. Have a great day. Stay tuned in so you don't get tuned out. God is good all the time. And all the time, God is good.